Okay, so this light above my table saw flashing like that. It's just gonna drive me nuts. I'm not sure why it's doing that. It worked perfectly fine before, but now it's doing this all the time. It's flashing all the time, so it's time to fix it. Well, there we go. That should be a lot better now. The light's not flickering around. I just swapped it with another one over there, as you saw me do. Should be a lot better. Won't be flickering and got me nuts no more. And I guess I'll just have to get a different one. Go way over by the window. So, it's always good to get those quick little, they're not really projects, but those quick little things done. Yeah, it makes my shop like a whole lot better now. All right.